Are you ready to join a conference that will develop your communication and leadership skills, connect you with a community of leaders, and unlock your potential? Witness top-notch speeches and evaluations in the District 86 contests. Learn from inspiring speakers and engage in educational workshops to help you grow to the next level.
Attending district conferences is that opportunity for us to connect, to grow relationships, to learn from others that we wouldn't normally have an opportunity to be able to interact with.
I'm eager to learn from the contestants different speaking styles, body language, vocal variety, and ways to engage their audience.
The highlight of the conference is the District Director's Gala Dinner. Join us to celebrate our new distinguished Toastmasters and enjoy our entertainment.
You will meet mentors in every corner. From one single conversation, you are going to build your support squad just like that.
Are you a seasoned Toastmaster? Or just starting your journey? The District 86 Conference 2025 offers a unique opportunity to enhance your public speaking skills, expand your network, and make memorable connections. Be inspired by our well-known international keynote speakers.
There's going to be incredible workshops and incredible speakers that I am absolutely looking forward to seeing.
Unlock your potential at Toastmasters District 86 Conference 2025 in person, April the 26th and 27th.